Hey guys, Chef Anthony here from Don's Appliances. I'm down low today talking about how to clean your steam oven. This one is actually in a 48-inch range. Some of them are in the wall ovens, depending on your make and model. But steam oven's super easy to clean. Some of them actually have a steam setting where you could do a steam soak. That's really for maybe to deodorize it and things like that. If you're going to do a lot of fish and items like that, you might want to add like lemon and white vinegar in here and maybe just run like a 20-minute soak cycle to kind of deodorize it and break it down. For all intents and purposes, even if you're just doing regular rice or something like that, it just needs a good wipe out and make sure all the water's out of it. Because, if you don't go into it the next day, it might have like that watery smell of maybe musty or something like that. We don't want it to mold or anything of that sort. So first and foremost, let's take our rack out. See the residual water in there. See that on my hand. I like to use microfiber towels. Any towel can do. You could even use paper towel to kind of sop it all up, things like that. But I like to just go back there and kind of make sure. And here's the big key. I probably used this steam oven probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours ago. So give it some time, okay? You don't want in here with 212 degrees steaming water, okay? Use another pan. Any pan can kind of work. You're just going to want to wring all that excess water in, Some of them provide a sponge, but after a while, this range has been here for a little bit. After a while, that sponge has, seen its lifespan. But I find that microfiber towels are one of the best ways to kind of get in there and clean and get everything too. When we're cleaning though, let's watch the doors on your oven. So see this right here, this is the venting in the door. If we get any water in here, it's really gonna get in between the glass and things like that. We do not wanna do that because it'll leave streakage in the window and we don't wanna see that. So be mindful of that. And then I just use a nice dry one, kind of wipe it out. And then really I use a lot of white vinegar. So I would use a little white vinegar just to deodorize it and kind of get all that grease off or oil or any like residual cooking. So white vinegar, it's just going to be your best friend on this. It'll kind of eat everything away, kind of keep it looking brand new, right? Steam oven's kind of one of the best ones, kind of the easiest ones Chef likes to clean the steam ovens because they don't really receive that wear and tear. That moist heat cooking process really helps out. So check that out. Make sure you get the back, and then I wipe the rails too. So I'm going to actually remove this other one and see how there's just a little bit from every tray or whatever. See how nice that comes off? Okay. And I'll put that off to the side too. Just give it a nice wipe. Make sure I get these rails right here, nice and easy. And then here's the super part. Here's the steam water magazine. Okay, pull that out. We want to make sure all the water's out of here too, especially if we're not going to use it for a few days or something like that. Wipe this top and then wipe in here as well. Make sure there's no pooling water because that's not what we want. Okay. Other than that, that's really how nice and easy it is to clean your steam oven after usage. Okay. I'm going to finish wiping this out, so hope you enjoy the video.